Investigating the cost of private aircraft? Until now, you've had 4 options: fractional or membership models, sole ownership, supplemental charter, DIY partnership. Fractional or membership models, including prepaid jet cards, offer flexibility but come at the highest net cost per hour. Sole ownership offers 100% control, but also 100% cost burden. Putting the aircraft out for charter when it is not in use reduces some cost, but it is a poor overall solution. The best cost solution is a partnership, but do-it-yourself partnerships often end poorly due to risks and entanglements. Now, there's a new way to own. With PIA managed co-ownership, you combine the low-cost benefit of a partnership with the autonomy and security of the fractional model. Plus, you have access comparable to sole ownership. Get the access and security you desire while cutting your fixed costs in half. Your airplane, your schedule, half the cost. PIA managed co-ownership, the wisest model of aircraft ownership.